Hello all, welcome to Pizza Tips Pro, and in today's video we are going to see how to make money online by using this top survey websites. Before getting into the video, if you guys haven't yet subscribed to the Pizza Tips Pro, please do subscribe. And now let's get started. First one is findfocusgroups.com, where you'll be getting paid for your opinions on various aspects. Here you can just join the people by just clicking on this, going to the paid surveys, and you can just register yourself to start answering it. Here you can just sign up by using this button. Here you can see all this newest paid focus groups at various locations. So it is very simple in 3 steps, that is, you will be searching by state or city, and then you'll be finding a focus group and you apply for that, and you'll be getting invited to participate. It is very simple and easy way so that you can participate into the paid surveys and get paid. The next one is userinterviews.com, where you'll be connecting with the researchers of companies. So you'll be participating in it, you'll be sharing your opinion and earn money. So here you can choose which particular studies you are interested in. You can choose them and secure your position by participating into that particular research, and you can earn money. You can sign up for free here and you can start exploring. Here is another website. So here you can get paid for taking surveys on your phone. It is very simple. You just need to take surveys from the large companies all over the world, and also after then you'll be getting the points which you can redeem by using any instant PayPal payouts or in the form of gift cards. And also you can enjoy the referral bonus by inviting the friends. And you can just see how this works. So all you just need to do is, after signing up, you need to answer few questions to create your profile, and based upon your profile you will be getting some surveys, and also based upon your geographical location you will be getting few surveys, which by filling which you can earn points, which you can redeem them as cash outs or gift card. Next up is Respondent.io, where you will be doing this research, where you will be participating in the research. You just need to build your Respondent profile and get invited to share your thoughts and insights with the leading companies, and you can make money in this process. You can click on this get started and you can see what their researchers are looking for, and you can see for various roles what is the average hourly incentive. So this starts from 100 and goes up to $750 per hour. So you can definitely give it a try and check it out if it works for you. All it takes is 4 simple steps, that is, you need to create and verify your profile, and you'll be getting matched with the algorithm that they have and the research studies that are available. You need to apply for the projects by answering few online screening questions to know that you are a best fit for this particular project, and you can participate and get paid to that. Next one is pandaresearch.com, where you can complete your paid offers and market research for cash. You can earn money by completing the paid surveys and offers, and also you can receive the coupons, discounts and giveaways with the participation. You can refer the friends and also earn this extra income from the bonuses of referrals, and you can earn some additional income by reading the emails, which is having the maximum payout of $25. And then you can get paid by 1st and 15th every month through PayPal. So you can just see the process. You just need to sign up for free, you need to complete the offers and get paid. That is it. So you can just start your journey by clicking on the sign up and start completing these offers. So this is all for today's video, guys. I hope you found this video useful to you, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Pizza Tips Pro. Thank you for watching.